curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever wondered what gives you the energy to play, the power to think, and the strength to grow? Today, we're going to assemble the ultimate superhero team for your body. Your body is the most amazing machine in the world. But just like any machine, it needs the right kinds of fuel to run at its best. The different types of food you eat are like a team of superheroes called nutrients. To be your best, you need to call on all of them. First up, the energy crew, carbohydrates. Found in bread, pasta, and fruits, they give your body quick energy to run, jump, and play. Next, call in the build and repair crew, proteins. Found in meat, beans, and nuts, their job is to build new cells and repair your body when you get a cut or a scrape. Don't forget the brain boosters, healthy fats. Found in avocados and nuts, they're super important for keeping your brain sharp and giving you long-lasting energy. Now, for the super helpers, vitamins and minerals. Found in fruits and veggies, you only need a little, but they have hundreds of important jobs. Vitamin C helps your body fight off sickness, and calcium builds strong bones. These helpers make sure all the systems in your body are working perfectly. And the team captain that holds everyone together is water. It helps transport all the other nutrients around your body and keeps you hydrated. A team with only one type of hero won't work. If you only eat one type of food, your body misses out on all the other amazing powers it needs. That's why we need a balanced diet. It means eating a variety of foods to make sure you're assembling the full superhero team for your body. A great way to get your vitamins and minerals is to eat a rainbow. Try to eat fruits and vegetables of many different colors every day. When you eat a balanced diet, you're giving your body the right fuel to think clearly in school and the power to play hard with your friends. Your body is smart. It tells you when it's hungry and when it's full. Listening to it helps you give it just the right amount of fuel it needs. So remember, eating a balanced diet is like choosing the best super team for your body every single day. Fuel your awesome. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.